Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Privy Wash the only way for optimal results. First, understand that Privy Wash is specifically formulated for gentle, external cleansing of your intimate areas. You'll only need a small amount, typically about 1/2 to 1 full pump, for each use. Apply it directly to the area during your regular shower or bathing routine to begin the process effectively. Once you've dispensed the Privy Wash, gently lather it with a little water using your clean hand or a very soft, clean cloth. Carefully ensure you achieve thorough coverage of the external intimate skin. It's crucial to remember that Privy Wash is designed exclusively for external use. Please avoid any internal application to maintain your comfort and health. This step is key for proper cleansing. After a thorough application, it's time to rinse. Make sure to rinse the entire area completely with clean, warm water until absolutely no residue from the wash remains. For best results and to maintain optimal freshness and hygiene, we recommend using Privy Wash once daily. Consistent daily use helps to maintain a balanced and comfortable feeling throughout your day, making it a simple habit. Privy Wash offers several key benefits, primarily helping to maintain your natural pH levels, which is essential for comfort and overall intimate health. Its gentle formula is carefully crafted to be free from harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances, ensuring a mild experience. Finally, remember to store your Privy Wash bottle upright in a cool, dry place, away from any direct sunlight, to preserve its quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.